Have a next category, which is fashion retailer over 500 square meters.
All right, and this award will be handed out by Paul Kuzmierz from MMG.
Paul Kuzmish from Master Management, come on up and help us hand out this award.
And on the short list, we have Crop, De Facto, H&M, House, Mojito, New Yorker, Reserved, and Sensei.
Use the stairs. We don't want any accidents. Oh, thanks. Okay. Yeah. I think we're underinsured for this event. So, Paul, welcome to the stage. Thank you for supporting our event again. And from what I understood from today's forum, you're opening an outlet center, a mega outlet center.
Well, let's not get carried away. But first of all, let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you, Craig.
Let's talk about me. Okay.
I do it every year. It's 11 years straight. Let's congratulate Craig. He started this from nothing. Look who's all here. Well done, Craig.
And Agata Konarska, our team here, the whole Europa Property team. Great job. Without them, we couldn't have done it.
It's a main event for everybody that's involved in retail, Craig. Don't be humble. And you're a good boxer as well.
Excellent boxer.
Craig
undefeated.
Won the
undefeated.
He's done 1-0.
But I don't want to try anyone tonight. Okay. Yeah.
Anyways, I'm proud to announce the winner of over 500 square meters. And what a surprise. It's Reserved.
No, it's good to see you. Welcome.
Love is in the air, everywhere I look around.
Welcome back.
Love is in the air, every sight and every sound.
Congratulations. Please feel free to say a few words.
Okay, second chance. Thank you, Craig. Thank you, Polly. Dziękuję Państwu serdecznie. Tym razem mam nadzieję, że będziecie Państwo zadowoleni z tej nominacji. Będziecie często naszymi gośćmi w naszych sklepach. Życzę sobie, żebyśmy sprostali Państwa oczekiwaniom i jako marka lub jako marki wymienione tutaj byli coraz bliżej Was, mieli coraz lepszą jakość i żebyśmy spełniali Wasze oczekiwania. Dziękuję bardzo i miłego wieczoru.
Okay. Well,
Dziękujemy.
congratulations and come join us for a photo. No. They're going to kill me if I don't do any photos.